Hello and welcome to the Employment Law Centre of Western Australia. Before we start, you need to know that this video is a general guide about who we are and what we might be able to do for you. It is not legal advice and the information is for Western Australian employees only. In this video, we will talk about what we do, who we can help, and how you can access our resources. The Employment Law Centre of Western Australia is a not-for-profit community legal centre that specialises in employment law. Our main service for employees is the telephone advice line. However, we also deliver a range of other services. We provide further assistance such as solicitor appointments and representation, research employment law issues, write law reform submissions, raise awareness of workplace rights, and run community legal education sessions which are tailored to your needs. When you think about employment law issues, you may think of being fired for no good reason, not being paid enough, being discriminated against, or being bullied. However, at ELC, we also deal with many other issues you may face in your workplace. For more information on the different types of issues that often come up, please see our video titled Employment Law in Western Australia. Because we specialise in employment law, we cannot provide advice on workers' compensation, superannuation, income tax, or in fact any tax questions. If you have a question about one of these issues, other organisations such as WorkCover or the Australian Tax Office may be able to assist you. To see a full list of these organisations, click on Other Helpful Links in the Legal Resources section of our website. ELC has limited funds and we rely on the goodwill of volunteers to provide some of our services. Because of this, we prioritise giving legal advice and assistance to vulnerable employees. We do not advise employers. You may be a vulnerable employee because you are on a low income, if you have difficulties speaking, reading, or writing English, if you have a disability, because of your age, because you live in a regional or remote area, or because you aren't represented by a union. We cannot advise independent contractors. If you are not sure whether you are an employee or independent contractor, you can call us and we may be able to give you some guidance on which one you are more likely to be. Even if we can't assist you directly, we still encourage you to have a look at the resources on our website. The information there is designed so you can use it at your own pace. We'll talk about our website resources more in a minute. There are three main ways you can access our resources. You can call our telephone advice line, you can visit our website at www.elcwa.org.au, or you can attend one of our community legal education seminars. Our telephone advice line is the first and main point of contact if you seek legal advice from us. We have two advice lines, one general line and one exclusively for employees in regional, rural and remote areas of Western Australia. Most calls take at least 20 minutes, so make sure you have enough time when you call. It's also a good idea to have a pen and paper with you so you can take notes. If you have difficulties speaking or understanding English, please tell us. We can arrange an interpreter for most languages. If you have difficulties hearing, please fill out the deaf or hard of hearing form on our website and we will contact you. The general advice line is open from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. on weekdays except Wednesday. It is also open late from 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. on Tuesdays. The telephone number is 1300 130 956, or you can also call 9227 0111. If you're an employee in a regional, rural or remote location, our dedicated line is open from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. on weekdays except Wednesday. The telephone number is 1300 520 054, or you can also call 9227 0185. The Employment Law Centre is a not-for-profit organisation and our services are provided free of charge. To make sure that we assist the most vulnerable members of the community, you must meet certain eligibility criteria. To help us determine whether you are eligible and so that we can assist you more effectively with your matter, please try to have the following information ready before you call the advice line. The date you started your employment, if you have resigned or been dismissed the last day of your employment, the approximate number of employees that work for your employer, and your employer's Australian business number, commonly known as an ABN or Australian company number. This can usually be found on your pay slips, group certificate, or employment contract. All information you provide to us is confidential and is kept on our secure internal database. We will not disclose your personal information to anyone else without your consent. In limited cases, we can also provide further assistance with your matter. However, this will depend on your individual circumstances and the issues involved. If you are eligible for further assistance, we will discuss this with you during your call. Please note that the Employment Law Centre is a small community organisation and we receive thousands of calls each year. If you can't get through straight away, we ask that you be patient and keep trying. While you're waiting to get through to us, you may also wish to have a look at our website. If we can't assist you over the telephone, or if you just want to read more about an issue or work through your application at your own pace, you can go to our website at www.elcwa.org.au and click on the Legal Resources page. We have 3 main resources on our website to assist you: fact sheets and information kits, the info guide tool, and links to other helpful organisations and websites. If you would like to know more about a particular employment law topic or type of claim, have a look at our fact sheets and information kits. Our fact sheets explain in detail common employment law issues such as long service leave, bullying, redundancy, minimum entitlements, unfair dismissal, and many more. Our information kits are designed to take you through the steps you need to follow when making a claim, such as the forms you need to fill out, the fees you may need to pay, and how you can file your claim. To get the most benefit out of them, we recommend that you use the fact sheets and information kits together. If you are unsure about which fact sheets or information kits may apply to your particular circumstances, we have an info guide tool to help you work this out. The info guide will ask you a series of questions and then provide some suggestions about which resources on our website may be the most useful for you. Finally, we also have a page for other helpful links on our website which suggests organisations and websites which might be able to assist you. 2 of these are the state government's wage line service on 1300655266 and the federal government's Fair Work info line on 131394. If you would like to see more about how to use our website, we have a video which takes you through this. It's called How to Use Our Website Resources. If you are a school, not-for-profit organisation, or other community group, we run education sessions about employment law issues. These sessions are free and are designed to meet your specific needs. If you are interested in finding out more about our community legal education seminars, please fill in the Community Education Inquiry form on our website. We hope the information in this video has been useful for you. We also have other videos you may wish to watch in which we talk about employment law in Western Australia, what to do if you lose your job, and how to use our website to get the most relevant information for you. Thank you for watching and for your interest in the Employment Law Centre.